Hi all, welcome to the new video of Fundamentals of Computer and HTML. In this video we are going to discuss binary number system. In the previous class we had already discussion about decimal number system, types of number system, that is positional and non-positional all categories. Now we are going to discuss binary number system. The radix of the binary number system is 2 based. In the system, only two symbols, namely 0 and 1, are used. Note that the largest single digit is 1, 1 less than the base. Each position in binary number system represents a power of the base 2. Thus, in binary number system, to the left of the binary point, the rightmost position is the unit 2 raised to 0 position. The second position from the right is 2's, that is 2 raised to 1 position, then 2 raised to 3 like that, and from the point uh, you count 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, and 2 raised to minus 3 like that. See, here we have a binary number, that is 1100101. You count the value from here, from the this side, that is 0 1 2 3 4 like that, 0 1 2 3 4. Then first number, that is 1. Here we have 4, that is 2 raised to 4. 1 into 2 raised to 4, that is 1 into 16 equal to 16. Now the second digit, that is 1 into 2 raised to 3, that is 1 into 8, that is 8. Then 0 into 2 raised to 2, that is 0 into 4, that is 0. Then 0 into 2 raised to 1, that is 0 into 2, that is 0. And last 1 into 2 raised to 0, 1 into 1, that is 0. Sorry, that is 1. So add all these value 1 0 0 5 0 8 16. You will get the result 25, which is the decimal number corresponding to the binary number 11001. So you need to listen the number of digit, that is 1 2 3 4 5 digits are there. So you will start with 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1, and 2 raised to 0 like this. Or add all these value, multiply with this digit number, then add all these value together. You will get the corresponding binary number, that is 1 into 2 raised to 0, 0 into 2 raised to 1, 0 into 2 raised to 2, 1 into 2 raised to 3, and 1 into 2 raised to 4. Then count it, then add it, then you will get the 10 base. Now see, we have an example, that is 10101.011. I already told, from here you start 1 into 2 raised to 0, 0 into 2 raised to 1, 1 into 2 raised to 2, 0 into 2 raised to 3, 1 into 2 raised to 4 like that. You count here from 1 2 3 4 5. So you will get 1 2 3 4 5. You will get the value, that is 4. So 1 into 2 raised to 4, 0 into 2 raised to 3, 0 into, sorry, 1 into 2 raised to 2, then 0 into 2 raised to 1, and 1 into 2 raised to 0 like this. Then point after point you need to add 0 into 2 raised to minus 1, 1 into 2 raised to minus 2, then 1 into 2 raised to minus 3 like that. You add from here negative values, from here positive values. So you will get the result like this. 1 into 2 raised to 4, that is 2 raised to 4 16, that is 16. 0 into 2 raised to 3, 0 into 8, that is 0. 1 into 2 raised to 2, that is 1 into 4, that is 4. 0 into 2 raised to 1, that is 0 into 2, that is 0. 1 into 2 raised to 0, that is 1 into 1, that is 1. Then 0 into 2 raised to minus 1, that is 0. Then 2 raised to minus 2, then you can write like 1 by 4, 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. Then plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 3, that you can write like 1 by 2 cube, that is 1 by 8. Now see, 16 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 by 4 is 0.25, then 1 by 8 is 0.125. Add all these value, you will get 21.375, which is the decimal number corresponding to the binary number 10101.011. You need to remember, from the point to the left side you count from 0 1 2 3 4 to the binary base 2. Then here from -1, -2, -3, like that. Add all these values and multiply and add all these value, you will get the result 21.375. Now how we find the binary number corresponding to the decimal number? Here we have an example 17. First you write the 17 here, then divide it with 2, you will get the result 8. Remainder you write here 1, then 8 by 2 right here, then result here 4, then 4 by 2, no remainder, so 0, then answer is 2, then 2 by 2 answer is 1, remainder is 0, like this. Then at last you have 1 here, you can't divide 1 with 2, so the remainder here. From here we count 1 0, which is the binary number 1 0 0 0 1. You check it. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5 digit. So from here you start 1 into 2 raised to 0, 0 into 2 raised to 1, 0 into 2 raised to 2, 0 into 2 raised to 3, like that. You will get the result. Then also we have 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is there. Here we have 5 numbers, so last is 2 raised to 4. Only these 3 zeros eliminated. Then here we have 1 into 2 raised to 0, that is 1. Then here we have 1 into 2 raised to 4, that is 16. 16 plus 1, that is 17, which is the decimal number. So I repeat one more. You write the decimal number here 17, divide with 2, write the remainder here 17 by 2, 8, remainder here 8 by 2, 4, remainder here 4 by 2, 2, remainder here 2 by 2, 1, remainder here. Then 1 here we have 1 1 0 0 0 1. Like this you can find the binary number corresponding to the decimal number. So here we have the chart. First 10 denary number, that is decimal number and binary number. Binary number for 1 is 1, 2 is 1 0, 3 is 1 1, 4 is 1 0 0, 5 is 1 0 1, 6 1 1 0, 7 1 1 1, 8 1 0 0 0, 9 1 0 0 1, 10 1 0 1 0. You just do all this process. 1 corresponding binary number, 2 corresponding binary number, as I explained before. So thank you all. In the next video we'll come with the next number system, that is octal number system. Thank you all.